Well, whether you're a seasoned shooter or just starting out, these top contenders promise precision, power, and performance that can elevate your shooting experience to new heights. Each rifle brings something unique to the table, from cutting-edge technology to ergonomic designs, ensuring there's a perfect fit for everyone. So, stay tuned as we dive into the details of these outstanding air rifles. And be sure to watch for a special moment when we reveal our top pick, randomly selected as the ultimate choice for your shooting adventures. Let's get started. On University of number 5. Umarex Synergis Pellet Gun Air Rifle. The Umarex Synergis .177 air rifle combines innovative design and performance, making it an attractive choice for those looking for an entry-level, multi-shot gas piston air rifle. With a street price of $159.95, it offers impressive power and accuracy for the cost. It's particularly effective with heavier lead pellets, allowing it to achieve steady accuracy with limited flyers, although occasional misfeeds may occur. The bundled 3940 scope, however, falls short. It lacks adjustable objective void, AO, functionality, and clear focus at higher magnifications, restricting accuracy potential. The supplied rings are flimsy, prone to recoil damage, and don't provide sufficient stability for prolonged use. AMFs suggest upgrading to a quality scope and better rings for optimal performance. Despite the scope issues, the Synergy delivers solid consistency, a reliable two-stage trigger, and low noise levels with heavier pellets, making it ideal for backyard shooting and small game hunting. However, its cocking effort of 31 pounds may require a strong shooter. Overall, the Synergis performs well for its price range, but benefits from accessory improvements. Number 4. Umarex NXG APX Multi-Pump Pneumatic Youth. The Umarex NXG APX is designed as the youth-friendly air rifle that emphasizes safety above all else, making it a great choice for introducing kids to shooting under supervision. With multiple safety features, such as the automatic safety that prevents accidental firing and its light cocking effort at low power, it's ideal for cautious parents. The rifle is budget-friendly at around $60 and supports both BBs and pellets, though pellets tend to offer better accuracy. In testing, accuracy is decent, particularly when using heavier pellets like the H&N Barracuda, which yielded tight groupings at 10 yards. However, the rifle's heavy trigger, measured at 7.5 pounds, can be frustrating for more experienced shooters, and the basic included scope could benefit from an upgrade. Performance-wise, while Umarex claims an 800 FPS with alloy pellets, the highest observed was 697 FPS, falling short of its advertised speed. Ultimately, the NXG APX shines as a teaching tool but lacks the power, precision, and features sought by advanced users. On number 3. Umarex Ruger Explorer Youth Brake Barrel. Here's what's awesome about the Ruger Explorer Youth Brake Barrel Pellet Rifle. It's budget-friendly, built for youth, but perfect for anyone who's just getting into shooting. This rifle is compact, easy to cock, and still packs enough power to keep things interesting. In my testing, even in a small 30-foot range, it held up pretty well. I used 177 caliber lead pellets, aiming to hit that claimed 500 feet per second. I got close, an average of 485 FPS with lighter pellets and around 400 FPS with heavier ones. This is impressive for a lightweight spring piston rifle. Plus, for those who want an upgrade, it's grooved for a scope or a red dot, so you can enhance your aim even further. Accuracy? Not too shabby. At 30 feet, I managed a 1-inch, 10-shot grouping with open fiber optic sights. The trigger does need a bit of breaking in, though. I noticed a few unexpected breaks, but nothing practice won't improve. In short, the Ruger Explorer isn't just for young shooters. It's a solid, durable option with a sleek look and ease of use that appeals to everyone. So, whether you're new to air guns or looking for a fun rifle for casual shooting, the Ruger Explorer is worth a look. I'm number 2, Barra Airgun's Sportsman 900 BB gun rifle for adults. The Barra Sportsman 900 is a pump-action air rifle that brings serious power, reaching 800 FPS, ideal for long-range shooting and even small-game hunting. It's versatile, letting you pump from 1 to 10 times, giving you control over its power. This is a must for accuracy at longer distances. Once you hit 10 pumps, you're talking about tight 1-inch groups at 30 yards. Now, let's talk about setup. Barra includes an old-school scope with the rifle. It's functional, but if you're serious about precision, do yourself a favor and upgrade. Mount a quality optic from the start, and you'll save yourself the trouble of sighting in twice. Otherwise, stick with the iron sights. They're surprisingly effective. Consistency is the name of the game with the Sportsman 900. Stick to the same pellets, same number of pumps, and keep variables like temperature steady. With that setup, this rifle will deliver reliable, precise shots. For young or beginner shooters, the lightweight design is a huge plus. The hollow plastic stock keeps it light, perfect for extended sessions without fatigue. While the Sportsman 900 isn't built like premium air rifles, it's sturdy, accurate, and a great addition to any collection. It may not suit every shooter's style, but for those looking for a solid, high-accuracy air rifle without the extra bulk, it hits the mark. Number 1, Crosman 760p Pump Master .177 caliber. All right, let's jump right in with what makes this Crosman air rifle so interesting. You get a solid starter kit, a safety glasses, a 416 scope, and a target so you're ready to go out of the box. But here's the catch. As soon as you unbox it, check those bolts and screws. They might need tightening before you zero in the scope, so it's hands-on right from the start. Now, power comes from the pump-up feature, a nostalgic throwback to how air rifles used to be made. With a few pumps, it's perfect for plinking cans or even taking care of minor pest issues. It's also lightweight, so it's easy to handle for younger or beginner shooters. And for a friend who needed a way to practice shooting after a severe injury, this rifle allowed backyard target fun, especially with its quick, easy BB lid system. However, while this rifle's scope is serviceable, it's built for beginner fun, not for any distance precision. In fact, swapping to a simple red dot sight can make all the difference for short-range targets. Just a heads up, this rifle won't be a lifelong piece. Treat it like an intro to airguns. It's affordable and fun, but not built for the long haul. If you're looking for a taste of backyard shooting or a starter gun for kids, the Crosman checks those boxes. But if it's rugged durability you're after, you might want to save up for the next tier. So guys, this was the video about the 5 best 27-7 air rifle 2024. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. Thank you.